How to clear history in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can wipe out all your history. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. So here, you'll be able to find a section called Clear History. Simply tap on Clear History. Now, make sure you want to remove all the history. So everything from the past that you have searched or every query that you have done will be completely wiped out from your account. Here, tap on this clear button. Now it will take some time, and as you go back, there won't be any history. So Perplexity AI will remove all the history and you must search it from the beginning. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.